As a refresher, each individual you form a connection with will be in your My Connections list. These are people you can chat with. Notice that some of these people already have scheduled a meeting with you and some haven't. If you do form a connection with someone and you want to meet with them, click Meet, and you will be taken to their profile. Regardless of how you found someone, whether it was through recommendations, search, or from the lists, you will always be returned here if you click the Meet button. The first thing you'll see is their profile on the left again. Headline, profile, picture, and name. There's also supporting information at the bottom, so you can get more information about them before you send a meeting request. The next thing to do is find a time. These are times I put in specifically for this day to show the functionality, but you will see the FarmSci 360 dates. Everyone will see these same dates. Their goal is to find the date and time that works for them. Next, click on the date to find the available time slots. Remember, it will be reflected in your time zone. There's no need to calculate the correct times.